Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Teresa and I'm a modal mess. Recently I had gone through and I decluttered probably about 40 pairs of my shoes, mostly high heels because I've got back problems and neck problems and I knew that I was just never going to wear them again. Well, my daughter's wedding has come and gone and I needed a dress to wear to the wedding and I was trying on everything that was in my closet. And there were only about 3 dresses that I could wear. And everybody picked out this one. And it is a gorgeous royal blue. And I thought, I had the perfect shoes for those, but I decluttered them. So I went into my box of shoes that I already decluttered and I pulled out a pair to wear with this. And that pair happened to be these. And you can see the silver and the royal blue just go great together, right? But look at these heels. And I thought, well, I'll be fine. You know, just one day of wearing heels, I'll be okay. My feet might hurt at the end of the day, but I'll be fine. I was not fine, y'all. I was not fine at all. As soon as I put on the shoes, I started doing the dance. You guys know what I'm talking about. Your legs are all wobbly. Your knees are weak. You're trying to steady yourself to balance. But I did okay. Like on solid surfaces, I did okay. But when I was trying to walk through the gravel or the grass, it was kind of, holding on to the trucks and holding on to the fences and anything that I could grab a hold of. So I got through the ceremony okay. I walked down the aisle, walked back up it. It was on pretty solid ground. And we had to meet in a little waiting place because the photographer was going to take pictures of the family. And to go over to meet the photographer, we had to walk through the grass. And I started stumbling. And a nice young man from the groom's side actually grabbed a hold of my arm. And I was like, thank you. I haven't worn heels in 10 years. And he said, it's been longer than that for me. So he was just a very nice, very funny, just polite young man. And I can't thank him enough for doing what he did and trying to help me walk. But luckily that day I didn't wear these down there. What I actually wore were these. These are my house shoes. These are men's shoes. They're a little bit too big for my foot. My son bought them for me, but they are the most comfortable things. And so while I was there, I wore these for the pictures and the ceremony. And the rest of the time, I wore my house shoes because I couldn't do these. So did I make a mistake in getting rid of these? No, I didn't. And they're going back in the declutter box because I can't wear them anymore. And I should have trusted my instincts to begin with. If I had have trusted my instincts, I wouldn't have looked like such an idiot at my daughter's wedding. And I would have been a lot more comfortable. Do I care that I don't no longer have shoes to go with this dress? No. If it comes down to it, I'll go buy another pair of shoes in silver, flat ones. That's all for today. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon.